Splash RV and Marine Antifreeze is designed for use with recreational vehicles, boats, spas, pools, and vacation homes. Splash RV and Marine Antifreeze is a convenient, ready-to-use solution to winterize all your recreational needs. Now, it's important to winterize your products to remove water to eliminate the possibility of frozen pipes. Splash RV and Marine Antifreeze has burst protection to minus 50 degrees, ensuring your products are protected for the harsh cold months. The product will become slushy around 12 degrees and become solid around 7 degrees, which is normal and safe for your important possessions. RV and Marine Antifreeze is environmentally friendly and safe for incidental contact with people, pets, and wildlife. Splash offers a line of antifreeze from pool to boat to have you covered for all situations. Visit splashwash.com for more information. Splash, splash, splash.